Hello there, I'm Josh from Motor Match Bolton, and today I'm going to be showing you around this used car for sale. This is the BMW 2 Series Active Tourer 218i M Sport model. It's equipped with a 1.5 litre petrol engine and manual transmission. The vehicle is also ULEZ compliant. As this is the M Sport model, you do get your M aerodynamic body styling package as well as an M Sport suspension. It all comes together really nicely on your very imposing black exterior finish. This model comes equipped with front and rear parking sensors added as an extra, so you get that extra bit of help when pulling off tricky parking jobs. Your alloys are upgraded to 18-inch M double spoke styles. You've got a power tailgate feature allowing you easy access to your nice and spacious well-lit boot. The bottom compartment can be removed for added space. When you're done, you can simply press this button and walk away and the boot will actually shut for you. This vehicle has been fitted with this lovely perforated Dakota leather with grey stitching. It does make it feel that much more premium. You do have access to a drop-down armrest with cup holders, as well as access to rear ventilation for improved passenger comfort, and you can keep your mobile device charged up with the charge ports provided. You do get some storage on the back of your front seats as well. You've got those lovely M Sport dorsal trims as you make your way into the front interior. As you can see, that leather upholstery provides extra comfort for both driver and passenger. You've got an M Sport multifunction steering wheel. On the left side of the wheel you'll find your speed limiter settings. Moving over to the right side of the wheel, this contains most of your media control options, including your volume control and hands-free call access features. You've got a very comfortable and easy to use controller for your media display. You can access your standard host of DAB, FM and AM radio, as well as Bluetooth connectivity for audio streaming, and you can customise the sound setup of the vehicle to your liking. A mobile device can be paired, so you can make use of hands-free phone call access on the go. And for when you need to find those newer destinations, you do have access to a handy satellite navigation system. It will also provide traffic updates while you're on the move. You've got the always impressive My Vehicle menu. It's standard on most BMWs. It's helpful for tracking your digital service log. When in reverse, you do also get a visual prompt showing you parking sensors in action. You've got a nice and easy to use climate control setup. It does come equipped with an auto feature for extra driver convenience. You've got a few different drive mode selections, including Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro. And you do get a nice amount of storage hidden in your nice and comfy leather armrest. And just above your head, you do have access to an SOS safety feature that enhances the safety of the vehicle. For more information on this vehicle or to book a test drive, feel free to call on 01204 828 804.